Y'all, I have a situation. Mommy is painting in my journal. My journal. The one with the roses. She says it's a duck. I have not approved this duck. I have not even met this duck. If it goes badly, I'm gonna need witness statements.
So Bella has been requesting a duck in her journal for approximately 3 weeks. I pre-sketched this little guy so we could just paint.
She pre-sketched it without me. That's the first red flag.
Bella, you were asleep.
Irrelevant. I could have been consulted in a dream. Oh, I haven't even introduced myself. I'm Bella, tiny artist, journal owner, currently under siege by a mother with a paintbrush. Here's what's happening today. Mommy paints a duck in my journal, and then, oh, sweet friends, then I reveal a duck sticker collection that made me lose my entire mind. There are 7 ducks. They have personalities. Some of them have problems. Stay tuned. One of them is in debt. One of them has a to-do list longer than my arm, and one of them is holding my whole heart in a coffee cup.
We're starting with a warm yellow base. Bella requested a yellow duck specifically because yellow ducks are happier. Her words.
It's literally science, Mommy. I don't make the rules. Okay, but why is this relaxing? I came in ready to supervise, and now I'm calm. I don't like it.
That's the gouache, sweetie.
The gouache is manipulating me. Noted. All right, pause the cozy. I need to address something. This duck is currently just a pencil outline. He has no color, no life, no commitment. He's basically a duck ghost. And yet Mommy is acting like she's painting the Sistine Chapel.
Bella, it's called painting in layers.
It's called a sketch, Mommy. He's naked, he needs paint, or he needs to go home.
Okay, Bella. I'm adding the first layer now. See, he's getting color.
Finally, I was about to file a complaint with the duck union.
There is no duck union.
There should be. Look at him. He deserves representation.
I'm just laying down the base yellow. It always looks a little flat at first.
Flat? Mommy, he looks like a tortilla. A tortilla with hopes and dreams.
He's supposed to. That's how gouache works.
Well, I don't trust the process yet. The process feels suspicious.
Give him a minute. He's warming up.
Okay, fine. He's starting to look a little cuter, like a baby chick who just woke up and doesn't know what year it is.
That's the vibe.
Good. Confused and adorable. My aesthetic.
I'm adding a little shading now.
Oh, shading. The drama. The depth. The character development.
You're very invested in this duck.
Of course I am. He's going in my journal. He's basically my roommate.
Okay, the yellow layer is almost done.
Good, because if he stayed tortilla shaped any longer, I was going to panic. He's growing on me, though. Don't tell him I said that.
All right, now I'm switching to the brown gouache so I can outline him. This is where everything starts popping.
Oh, the outline stage, the drama, the definition, the moment of truth.
It's not that dramatic, Bella.
It is. One wrong line, he goes from cute baby duck to I've seen things.
I'm starting with the head outline, just a soft curve.
Yes, give him structure, give him confidence, give him a jawline.
Bella, ducks don't have jawlines.
Not with that attitude.
Okay, now I'm outlining the wing.
Oh, that looks good. He's getting personality. He's giving, I woke up like this.
He's giving Mommy painted me like this.
Semantics.
Now I'm outlining the little feet.
Yes, the feet, the tiny stompers, the little paddlers of destiny.
You're very passionate about this.
I'm passionate about excellence.
He's almost fully outlined.
He looks so cute, Mommy, like annoyingly cute. I'm trying to stay critical, but it's not working.
I'll take that as a win.
Don't get used to it. Class, I need to come clean about something. I thought this duck was going to be tragic. I had a whole speech prepared. Y'all, pray for Mommy's art skills. I had notes.
You had notes?
I had notes, Mommy, and I'm eating them now because this duck is actually cute. It's very cute. I'm almost annoyed about it. Almost.
All right, now I'm drawing the eyes. Big oval eyes. Just taking my time with the shape.
Oh, these are not little dots. These are statements. These are emotions. These are I have a backstory eyes.
I want them to be soft and expressive.
Expressive? Mommy, these eyes are about to win an Oscar. Oh, he's looking at me, Mommy. He has awakened. He has seen the light.
It's just one eye, Bella.
One eye is all it takes to judge me. Yes, symmetry, balance, emotional stability. He looks like he reads self-help books.
He looks cute.
He looks like he knows where the snacks are hidden, and he's not telling. Mommy, the highlight, the sparkle, the glimmer of hope.
It just makes them look shiny.
No, Mommy, it makes him look alive. It makes him look like he has dreams, aspirations, a 5-year plan. Okay, now I'm adding the blush. The cheeks, Mommy. He's blushing. He's shy. He's baby.
It's just a little pink.
No, Mommy. This is emotional development. This is a duck who just got complimented and doesn't know how to handle it. He looks so sweet, like he would listen to your problems and nod supportively. A respectful king.
I'm glad you like him.
I don't like him, Mommy. I love him. I would protect him for life.
I'm just cleaning the edges a bit.
Yes, clean them. He deserves crisp lines. He deserves excellence. He deserves a skincare routine. He looks like he'd hold a tiny cup of tea, or read a book, or sit on a porch swing and watch the sunset. He's given wholesome. He's given comfort. He's given I bake banana bread on weekends.
That's a lot for a duck.
Mommy, he's multi-dimensional.
Okay, eyes done, cheeks done. He's looking pretty cute.
He's perfect. He's precious. He's everything. I'm upset that I can't be upset.
That's very mature of you.
Don't push it, Mommy. Okay, painting time is over now. Now we get to the part that made me scream. Mommy took that duck, that sweet, innocent journal duck, and turned him into a sticker. And then she made 6 more ducks. These ducks have personalities, y'all. They have coffee addictions. One of them is literally in debt. One of them has a to-do list that's longer than my attention span. I'm ranking all 7, including the journal duck himself. Let's go. Starting strong with duck number 1, but first coffee duck. This is the most relatable duck I have ever encountered. Before anything quacking, swimming, existing, coffee. Look at his eyes. He's been through something. He's seen things. He's me before 9 a.m. Rating 11 out of 10. Broke the scale. This duck is my spirit animal. I would go to war for, but first coffee duck. Also, I'm pretty sure he and the cleaning duck have tension. Coffee duck makes the mess. Cleaning duck resents him. I'm not saying they're in a duck drama, but I'm also not saying that. Duck number 2. Time to shop duck. This duck has shopping bags. He's living his best life. He's what Duck Bills wishes he could be. He doesn't know what an invoice is. He's thriving. He's flourishing. He's never had a single bad day in his entire duck existence. Rating 9 out of 10. Lose 1 point because I know his credit card is maxed out. Shopping duck and Duck Bills are on the same account. I'm not fooled by the confidence.
You're building an entire economy, Bella.
I'm providing journalistic integrity, Mommy. The ducks deserve the truth. Duck number 3, the praying duck. This duck has a direct line to heaven. He's not just praying for breadcrumbs. He's praying for world peace. He wakes up at 4 a.m. He journals before coffee. He's better than us, y'all, and I'm not even mad about it. I give praying duck 10 out of 10. He's spiritually grounded. He's the CEO of inner peace. Would trust him with my secrets. I would not trust him with my snacks, though. He'd pray over them and then eat them. I know the type. Duck number 4, the cleaning duck. This duck cleans. He has a feather duster. He organizes his pond. He color codes his reeds. He's the duck your mom wishes you were.
Bella.
I'm not wrong, Mommy. Rating 7 out of 7. Respect the work ethic, but also he makes me feel guilty about my own room. I don't come to stickers to be judged.
He's not judging you.
Look at his face, Mommy. He knows. Duck number 5. To-do list duck. This duck has a list. A very long list. It's currently unrolling across the floor. It won't stop. There's buy birdseed and reorganize the pond. Call your mother. Learn Spanish. And it just keeps going.
Bella, you've never even made a to-do.
Exactly. This duck is doing things I've never even considered. He has floss on there, Mommy. Floss? I don't even own floss. This duck is making me feel inadequate on a molecular level. Rating 8 out of 10 points for ambition, points for organization, loses 2 points because I feel personally attacked by a waterfowl with better time management than me. Also, learn Spanish. He's a duck. What is he preparing for? A business trip to Barcelona? I have questions. Okay, duck number 6. This one is hard to look at. This duck has bills, like invoices. He's holding paperwork. He's stressed about his credit score. There's a tiny calculator. Mommy, why would you make this? He's suffering.
He's supposed to be funny, Bella.
He's supposed to be in financial counseling. Rating 6 out of 10. I feel seen, but I don't like it. This duck represents my future, and I'm not ready. He's also kind of cute, though, in a please help him way. And finally, the duck that started it all, the original, the gouache painting duck. This is the duck Mommy painted in my journal. Without permission, without a sketch review committee, without any oversight, and yet, he's perfect. He's soft, he's yellow, and he has tiny pink cheeks. He looks like he would listen to your problems and not give advice. Just nod. The kind of duck you need at 2 a.m. when you're eating shredded cheese over the sink.
That's very specific.
I stand by it. Rating 10 out of 10. He's the OG. He has no job, no debt, no coffee addiction, no prayers, no shopping problem, no to-do list, no cleaning agenda. He just exists, and that's beautiful. He's also the one who started the whole duck collection. Without him, none of these other ducks would have jobs right now. He's an entrepreneur, technically. Praying ducks owes him everything. To-do ducks wouldn't even have a list without him. Okay, y'all. Final rankings. According to me, my opinion is legally binding. Number 7, duck bills. I love you, but you stress me out. Get a financial advisor. Number 6, cleaning duck. Amazing work ethic, but stop judging my room from inside the sticker pack. Number 5, to-do duck. You inspire me and exhaust me. Please cross learn Spanish off the list. You're a duck. Number 4, time to shop duck. Living his best life, but shares a bank account with duck bills, and I'm worried. Number 3, praying duck. Spiritually unshakable. Would recommend for pastoral positions. Also probably prays for shopping duck's spending habits every night. Number 2, the journal duck. The original, the masterpiece. He's precious, and he knows it. And number 1, but first coffee duck, the most relatable waterfowl in history. 11 out of 10. I'm him, he's me, we're one. I stand by it.
Okay, before we wrap up, I wanted to show y'all the icon sheets too because they turned out so cute.
Yes, the icons, the tiny versions, the mini ducks, the ducklings, my children.
Bella, they're not your children.
They are. Look at Praying Duck. He's so peaceful. He's praying for all of us, especially you.
I'll take it.
And Coffee Duck, he's me in the morning. Shopping Duck, me on payday. Duck bills, me when the bill from payday arrives.
You're very relatable today.
I contain multitudes, Mommy, and they're all ducks.
These are perfect for planners, journals, all the things.
Or emotional support, or chaos, or both. All right, sweet friends, that's the whole flock. 7 ducks, 7 personalities. One of them needs therapy. One of them needs a budget. One of them mysteriously is learning Spanish. And one of them is currently running for president of my heart. And yes, all 7 are in the shop. The link is down there somewhere. Go adopt your favorite duck. If you pick duck bills, I'll respect the honesty, and I'm praying for you. Now listen, the journal duck, the original, the gouache king, he still doesn't have a name, and that's tragic. So drop your name ideas in the comments. Best name gets announced the next video. I also accept names for the other ducks, but the journal duck is the priority. He's the main character. All right, my loves, drink your coffee, make your to-do list, clean your room if cleaning duck is watching, and don't forget to name my duck. Bye, y'all. I love you. Quack responsibly. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more Bella. I mean, obviously you do.